Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 24th November to 28th November 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see, 0.67% negative move, 156.391 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week, in this week to according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good body with a big upper wick and a small lower wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Even I have shared many videos regarding stocks as well, US stocks as well. So do check that out as well. Currently, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, we can see a good amount of support zone and resistance zone that has been already marked. We don't currently need to mark any new levels. So here, let's straight talk about the closing first. So here, 156.391 is the closing here. The direct support is 156.312 and direct resistance is 156.737. After direct support, there is a support of 155.961 and then 155.700. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 157.180 and then 157.499. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a payout live withdrawal as well. I have uploaded two videos. You can watch that video as well on the playlist. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive mode that is in this range, that is 156.737 to 157.180. I'm expecting a closing in this range. If you're looking for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 156.312 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short till 155.961. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive because overall trend is positive. So here I'm expecting a positive move. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.